Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are well and doing good in your studies. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. So scholars, as I told you in our previous video that from next video we are going to start something new. So today we are going to start a new lesson from our students book, that is Birbal and the Washerman. Birbal is a famous character, right? You all know about Birbal, Akbar, all these stories you must have listened. So today we are going to start this new lesson. Let's start. Okay, so on first page this picture is given. Okay, these two pictures are given in first page. This first one animal and one child is there, and here two humans are there. Okay, so this picture is, you must be knowing about this picture, which character. Here its question is given. Here are pictures of well known fictional characters. Can you identify them? Below each picture write down. So you have to identify the names of the characters, and you have to write here at the given space. So which character these are? This one is, you all know, Mowgli, right? And this one is Ballu, the famous characters. These two were very good friends. Where in the Jungle Book. Which fiction? Jungle Book. And there was one movie also, right, based on the same story. Okay, and here these two characters, these two are Vikram and Betal. Vikram and Betal. Okay, so you have to write the name of these characters here in the given space. Okay, okay, now let's start the chapter. First see that how many characters are there in this chapter. So there are total 8 characters. Okay, so first one is Akbar, second is Birbal, third is town crier. Town crier means what? Town crier, a person whose job is to make a public announcement, who is going and telling to each and everyone in village or in marketplace about any announcement, about any order or message given by their king. Okay, so any message which is given by king. So earlier it was there was no other media, so no other way of communication. So town crier had their job to go to the marketplace and to announce their king's messages. Okay, so town crier is also one character here. And the next one is Denu. Denu, who is Denu? The washerman. The name of this character here is professionally washerman. Okay, and the next one is courtiers and village folk. Courtiers and village folk. The next one is messenger and Kusum, the washerman's wife. Washerman's wife means Denu's wife. Denu is the washerman and Kusum is Denu's wife. Okay, the next one is narrator. Narrator means the person who is telling us this story, narrating us this story. Okay, yes, now let's start. Okay, so we will see scene first. There are 2-3 scenes in this lesson. First of all, let's see what happened in scene 1. The scene is that of a winter morning. So there here this picture is given about a winter morning. Okay, and in that winter morning Akbar and Birbal are pacing the floor on the terrace of the palace. They are pacing the floor means impatiently they were walking. Okay, they were walking on the terrace of the palace impatiently. Okay, and Akbar was in some thought, means he is thinking something, and Birbal is just following Akbar. Why? Because Akbar was a king and Birbal was his minister. The terrace offers a good view of the river, and from the terrace a good view of the river was visible. So they can see a good view of the river from the terrace. Okay. So now Akbar is saying, Birbal, I have heard that the water in this river is extremely cold. Is that true? Okay, Akbar is asking a question from Birbal, that Akbar heard that the water in this river is water in the river which can be seen from the terrace is extremely cold. Water of that river is extremely cold. He heard about that. So he is asking from Birbal that is that true? Then Birbal, yes, your majesty, I have been told so. Okay, so Birbal said, yes, your majesty, whatever you heard, that is true, and I also heard same thing. Okay, then Akbar said, what do you think will happen if a man stands in the river all through the night? Do you think he will die? Okay, what Akbar is asking, what is his next question? That what do you think if any man will stand in the river all through the night, for whole night, if he will stand in the river, then what will happen? Whether that man will die? What do you think? Akbar is asking Birbal's opinion. Okay, Akbar said these things and he wants to know Birbal's opinion, that whether what Birbal is thinking, whether that man who will stand in the river all through the night, whether that man will die or he will survive. Okay, then Birbal, certainly, your majesty, no man will be able to survive the cold water for an entire night. Okay, then Birbal said, maybe means chances are more, your majesty. Your majesty means what? When we are giving respect to someone like king, and so that we can use such words. Okay, so Birbal said, chances are more, your majesty, and if any man will stand for the whole night in such cold water, then no man will be able to survive. So Akbar thinks for a while, then speaks. So Akbar took some time and he thought something and he said, I have an idea. Okay, what he said, that I have an idea. After thinking for 2 minutes, Akbar said, I have an idea. Akbar whispers something in Birbal's ear. Birbal is surprised at what he says, but he does not look too pleased. Okay, after that Akbar said something in Birbal's ear. He said, I have an idea. What idea? That we don't know, because in scene first they are showing just that Akbar whispers. Whispers means to say something very slowly. When we are saying something in somebody's ear very slowly, it means we are whispering. Okay, so Akbar whispers something in Birbal's ear, and Birbal, after hearing that, Birbal was surprised, but he was surprised and he was not too pleased after listening Akbar's thought. Even though, now next what happened, let's see. Next is scene 2. In scene 2, it is afternoon. Earlier in scene 1, it was winter morning. There was a description about winter morning. Now it's afternoon. It is afternoon and the setting is that of a town marketplace. Okay, in scene what we can see, that there is a town marketplace. A town crier I told you previously, a town crier, a person who goes in posh areas and making some announcements. Town crier beats his drum loudly and people come, leaving their work and gather around him. So when town crier went in the marketplace and he started beating his drums loudly, then what happened? People left their work and they gather around the town crier. Okay, then town crier said, he beat his drum loudly, and after that he said loudly, everyone listen. Here is an order from our emperor Shahanshah Akbar. Any man who stands in the cold waters of the river in front of the emperor's palace all through the night will be amply rewarded. Okay, what town crier said? That it's a message from our emperor, our Shahanshah Akbar, that any man who stands in the cold water for a whole night will get reward from the Shahanshah Akbar. Amply rewarded. What is the meaning of amply here? It's one word is given, amply rewarded. Amply means enough or more than enough. Means he will get those who will stand in river's water for the whole night, that person will get reward, and that is also not only reward, amply reward means more than enough he will get. Okay, then narrator is telling us he moves on making the same announcement at another busy corner of the town. The townspeople stands in small groups discussing the announcements. Okay, narrator is telling us that the town crier moves on another places and he did same announcement at the other places of the town. Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are well and doing good in your studies. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. So scholars, as I told you in our previous video, that from next video we are going to start something new. So today we are going to start a new lesson from our students book, that is Birbal and the Washerman. Birbal is a famous character, right? You all know about Birbal, Akbar, all these stories you must have listened. So today we are going to start this new lesson. Let's start. Yes, scholars. So we will discuss